Hello, welcome back to Digital Urim. In the previous videos, we explored how to respond to security incidents, from identification to recovery and professional documentation. That showed us something important. Cybersecurity is not only about technology, it is about responsibility. Now we move into a topic that can define your professional future: ethics, legality, and professional boundaries in cybersecurity. Because in this field, knowing how to do something does not mean you should do it. Being a cybersecurity professional is not only about technical skills, it is about responsibility, integrity, judgment. An ethical professional does not access systems without permission, does not misuse technical knowledge, does not exploit vulnerabilities outside authorized environments. Example, a student discovers a vulnerability in a live system. They may feel curious. They may want to test it, but doing so without permission can be illegal. An ethical professional reports the vulnerability, does not exploit it. That difference defines trust. There is one fundamental rule: never access systems without explicit authorization. It does not matter if you have the skill. It does not matter if the access seems harmless. Without authorization, it becomes intrusion. Example, a professional receives written permission to test a network. That permission defines which systems can be tested, which techniques can be used, what limits must be respected. That is authorized work. Without that permission, it becomes a legal activity. Many beginners make mistakes because they do not fully understand boundaries. Examples include scanning networks without permission, attempting unauthorized access, downloading sensitive data, testing tools on real systems without authorization. These actions may seem harmless, but they can lead to serious consequences: legal penalties, job termination, loss of professional credibility. Cybersecurity professionals handle sensitive information, credentials, personal data, critical systems. That means responsibility is not optional. It is required. Responsibilities include protecting confidential data, avoiding misuse of privileged access, respecting privacy and security policies. Trust is the most valuable asset of a professional, and once lost, it is difficult to recover. Let's imagine a realistic situation. A security analyst detects a critical vulnerability. They realize it could allow deeper access into systems. They have the technical ability to exploit it, but instead of doing that, they document the finding. They notify the responsible team. They follow official procedures. That decision protects the organization and protects their professional reputation. Ethics is not theory. It is daily behavior. Ignoring ethics can destroy careers. A professional who acts without authorization may lose certifications, may lose employment, may face legal consequences. Organizations look for professionals who are trustworthy, not just technically capable. That is why ethics is not optional. It is essential. Today you learned something critical. In cybersecurity, limits matter. You learned that authorization is essential. Ethics defines your reputation. Legal boundaries protect your career. Now you understand something important. Being professional is not just about what you can do. It is about what you should do and what you should never do. In the next video, we will explore one of the most dangerous elements in cybersecurity: the human factor and social engineering. Because many attacks do not begin with software vulnerabilities. They begin with people. Understand, defend, grow.